On this episode, Lucas needs a haircut, we go for a drive in the WRX, and the drift cars get new wings.
Hey Lucas, want to go for a spin in the Scooby? Oh my goodness, that's class! Never been in the Scooby before. Let's do this! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, buddy! We're going in the Scooby. Look at that, so bright. This thing is not even driving, like, you know, it's starting, like, you know. I thought it's a Subaru, where it's like boo-boo. I haven't taken it out in reverse yet. Oh shit! Whoa, Jesus, man. Do you know what? He actually forgot to put it in gear. He forgot to put it in gear. He's not driving. Oh, look, even has a mirrors in the Scooby. You can do your makeup or something, or check. Before you do... You do your makeup all right, wouldn't you? Yeah, you know. Before you do a scan, you know, you can just check, make sure the face is all good there. Oh, yeah, David. Get that boost going. I'm not getting into the car with that fella ever again.
Why not?
Subaru. They told me, get into the Subaru.
You'll be having nightmares tonight about what you will.
Feeling fucking jelly. Did you guys ever hear about the marshmallow legs? Well, that's what I just have. Woo!
I would half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Said I'ma get, we gotta go. Take one then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dough though. But I keep a
Fuck. We got it. Get it fixed. I could jump. This is your boy again. Magic! How am I supposed to see what I'm doing now? Look at me glasses. Carl, look what you done to me glasses. You fucked up me glasses, he did.
Wait, what's happening?
I'm not sure sure, but the handbrake itself doesn't hold. I have it all the way up, you know, so I think we're gonna have to put a few bricks behind the wheel, you know, if you wanna wash that car. You know?
I'll grab some bricks, bro.
Some bricks. You know, at this garage, if you can't fix it,
Just
grab a brick.
Just break it.
Just brick it.
BMW handbrake.
Yeah, done. Every essential piece for every daily drifter is cable tie set. So before you go anywhere, before you actually even put your tires into your drift car, the spare tires, make sure you get yourself a set of these because they come first. Cable tie set. In today's episode, we're gonna pick up the new spoiler for E46, and we also picked up the spoiler for Evan's MX5 yesterday. So two of our budget drift cars are gonna get the new wings, you know, today. So make sure to stay with us till the end of that video, you know, to get to see the final result of it. Peace.
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from pole. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dough. But I keep a 40.
Right there. This is where I'd like the exhaust pipe to come out. Or here. But no, preferably there, on the side fender. So that would look cool.
Spitting fire out.
Spit of fire out of it. Yeah, spit of fucking flame. I'm gonna call it a dragon. She's my dragon. She's a good girl.
Do you want me to leave you two alone?
Please, give us a bit of privacy here.
Okay, sorry, man.
Get out! Out! They don't even give us a minute to have a one-on-one, you know, little alone time, me and you, and a set of cable ties. No, don't worry, I got you.
Say that again?
Just going to drill that marker for the wording to go into it. So, it's about level. Okay, just lift it up. So straight in line with the BMW side. Okay.
Oh. There's me hole.
For that in your hole.
Okay.
Before you put that down there, can I have a look at them?
Before you stick it in his hole, he wants to look
have
at
a
something.
look at the hole. Oh, he's going to get a torch to have a look at the hole. Okay, I'm gonna get that big aero box. Oh my goodness. Oh. There we go. Woo! Sweating. This way. Welcome back in the Dub Monkey Garage. Now, what we're going to do here, we're going to do a massive tune for our MX5. She is just about to get an extra 10 ponies by us installing this insane Subaru WRX STI wing. Stay tuned.